Hello there. Well, I'm at the stand of Natural Remedies, a company that for 6 decades has combined the best traditional knowledge with modern science to deliver scientifically validated, effective and safe healthcare ingredients. Joining me today, I'm delighted to be joined here by Chief Business Officer of the company, Suresh.
Thank you.
So welcome, Suresh, and great to have you with us today.
Pleasure being here.
So first things first, I wonder if you could tell me a little bit more about this, the new ingredient that I believe you're launching at the show.
So yesterday we launched our new brand called Ashwa.30. So Ashwa.30 signifies the 30 milligram dose and the 30% standardization. So it's a 30-30. So this is the lowest dose ashwagandha ever in the market.
I see, right. So Natural Remedies describes the ingredient as a disruptor that sets a new benchmark in the ashwagandha market. Can you elaborate a little bit on how and indeed why that is?
Indeed. So there are many brands of ashwagandha in the market. So what sets Ashwa.30 apart from other brands is our dose, 30 milligram dose, and the standardizations. We have standardized our Ashwa.30 to 2 different phyto compounds. One is the vithanolides, which is a 15%, which can be tested by HPLC USP method. And the second is ATP fractions, which can be tested using a proprietary method. So we attribute the stress relieving property to vithanolides, and we attribute the energy and endurance that comes from ashwagandha to ATP fractions.
Oh, right.
So these are 2 different phyto compounds, a proprietary technology that we used, bot technology, to discover and identify and characterize these 2 phyto compounds, and that's what we are bringing to the market. It's a 2 different phyto compounds, standardized with 15 and 15% each. Together it's 30%, and the dose is 30. So that's 30 and 30.
Makes sense. Thank you very much for explaining that. So obviously, science-backed results are so important. It's everything today in terms of consumer trust for the supplement sector. So with that in mind, could you maybe summarize this clinically validated results linked to this new product?
Thank you for asking. That's wonderful. It's very important that the product, the brand that we launch in the market is clinically validated. That's what we stand by. So far we have done 5 different preclinicals and 2 clinicals completed. The 3rd clinical is work under progress. So in the first 2 clinicals, human clinicals, we tested this anti-stress component of Ashwa.30 and energy and endurance. So in the clinical study 1, we found that the VO2 max has increased by 28%. And the heart rate has increased significantly, up to 18%. And we also saw the muscle energy endurance has increased significantly by 128% after taking Ashwa.30 over a period of 8 weeks. Do we attribute that entire first clinical trial to the energy and endurance component? On the second clinical trial, we tested the salivary cortisol reduction up to 38%. Then that signifies the acute stress reduction. So both the clinical trial, one is for energy and endurance, and second one is for stress reduction. Together, we bring this product to the market. And at the 30 milligram dose, this is the lowest dose ashwagandha in the market, and we made this ashwagandha, Ashwa.30, strictly using a root. It doesn't contain any other plant parts, and it's a strictly root only ashwagandha, and it can be tested using publicly available HPLC USP method. That's what it is.
Yes, indeed. Well, thank you very much for explaining the science behind it, and best of luck.
Thank you.
On the market with it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.